of Ryan International School, Kandivali. We believe excellence isn't just a goal, it's our foundation. We don't just learn, we experience it. And today, this philosophy has arrived at our gates. We're not just talking about history in textbooks anymore, we're stepping into it. Imagine a treasure chest on wheels carrying centuries-old stories and artifacts right here in our school. The students of Ryan International School, Kandivali are here to experience the incredible Museum on Wheels. Please tell us about the concept of the Museum on Wheels.
It is an initiative by the city and the CSMUS, which stands for Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangralaya. If people cannot come to the museum, then the museum will come to you. So this is how this project started. So we built up a bus, and inside this bus we have built up a museum. So the theme of this museum changes annually, and the theme for the current year it is Sindhu Saraswati civilization, also known as Indus Valley civilization. In this bus, you will be seeing what exactly a civilization is. Again, you will be seeing what are the sites of the civilization. There is a map inside. So you'll be seeing more than thousands of sites there itself. Again, you will be seeing what were the ornaments they used to wear at that time. You'll be seeing what kind of utensil, what kind of pottery they used to make and use for the daily purposes. Also, you'll be seeing few figurines of the animals. We have small figurines of animals like rhinoceros, sheep, which still exist, and they were existing more than 3,000 to 4,000 years ago as well. Also, you will be seeing few figures like the priest king as well as the dancing girl, which are the most famous figures of the Indus Valley civilization. Again, you will be seeing some seals like the Pashupati seal, the people leaf seal, the three-headed animal. Again, the most famous is the unicorn seal. You will be seeing that as well in this bus. And at the end of this bus, you will be seeing a tactile station where we have replicas of the original objects of the original sizes, where the student can touch and feel the texture of the objects, how the original would have been.
How was your experience inside the Museum on Wheels?
It was a very unique experience because I got to learn about the different artifacts and also learn about the Harappan civilization.
Firstly, I would wholeheartedly like to thank our Managing Director, Madam, for giving us such an opportunity where we could see miniature models of the carriage, of all the weapons that were used in the 2000 BC.
This Museum on Wheels was a very lovely experience.
Absolutely loved it.
We gained a lot of knowledge and I learned about many different and new things.
Entering the bus was like entering the ancient period.
It was a historic experience. I got to know more about the Indus Valley civilization and its artifacts.
The museum was quite interesting and informative.
Overall, it was an outstanding experience.
It was amazing. It is beautiful. I enjoyed the museum.
The children over here got to know some new creative things which they haven't seen. In the olden civilization, the creativity was so nice. They were making designs and the planning of homes was such beautiful that nowadays the architecture people are not able to do.
It's a great experience for kids. They have fun and they know about their culture and heritage.
And it was a very wonderful experience. I hope we get more knowledge on the same way in upcoming year for the kids.
I loved it. I enjoyed it. The concept breaks the boundaries of a traditional museum by bringing it to the students. We look forward to continuing our pursuit of innovative learning that inspires the next generation of thinkers and leaders. We would like to thank our Chairman Sir and Managing Director Madam for providing these dynamic ways of learning. On that note, this is YJ Manyata and this is YJ Aditi, signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.